Following video features are actually performed by AI-generated software. Therefore, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken seriously.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog, man. Hey, man, consistent dog is here. I told y'all boys.
Cap.
But anyway, man, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't tell y'all last video, bro. I was low-key excited, bro. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video right now. Drop a like on this joint for your boy. Let's get this video to 300 likes, bro. 300 likes. I know we can do that for sure. And we right at 10,000 subscribers, y'all. We at what, 90-100 or about to hit 90-100, bro. Give me the 10K subs, and I already told y'all what's happening at 20K subs, man. So make sure y'all smack that sub right now, no cap. But as y'all can see by the title, I know like y'all like, what's going on, dog? What's going on, bro? As y'all can see, bro, the 300 is right here, bro. It's still dirty from last video. We gotta clean that, but we gotta fix this car before the 6.1 is done, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We gotta get every little mechanical or cosmetic thing we fixing on this car before April, man, 25th, man. If you don't know, that's St. Louis first event, you feel me? So we about to go crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you, but we gotta make this thing look pretty. But I don't know if y'all can see, man. Let me put this in regular form for y'all boys. If y'all can see, bro, the hood is like not flush with the car at all, bro. This really was hanging off a little bit more than it was. I had to push that up on there. But both sides are like this, bro. As you can see, it's more worse on this side right here, bro. We need that thing sitting more up, you feel me? But anyway, man, finna get this started, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me get some sunlight in here real quick, you feel me? And we finna get this cracking, bro, no cap. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, man, we got everything right here, bro. Got the bumper, I don't even know what this is called, but we got the piece out right there that we gonna put right behind the grill. We gotta fix all that, bro. Like that's bad, bro. That should not be looking like that, bro. Start taking these little bolts out on the side and get this bump off real quick for y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, man, because I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got nobody to record, help me record right now. But shoot, we got the tripod, so we gonna work with that, I ain't gonna lie. Once you get all the little thumbtacks out, man, then you wanna get a 10 mil real quick, bro, and get this little bolt on the side. So after you get the bolts off both sides, man, you wanna snap the, you know what I'm saying, the little tabs up top as well on both sides, and the bumper should come right off. I ain't gonna lie, I got some LEDs hooked up and stuff, so I gotta be careful and hook these while I take the bumper off. So I need both hands for this, I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, man, so we got my boy Unmasked SCAT, man, to help your boy Dog out. As y'all can see, man, we got the front bumper off completely, bruh. Right now, we are trying to put this, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, we don't know how to do this, y'all. We looking up YouTube videos right now, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna cut the video real quick. Look up how to put this on, but that is the piece. Basically, keep the bumper sitting up and not sag down, bruh. So we gotta figure this out. It's 4 holes in here, man, so we probably just need 4 push pins to put in there. But this ain't no crazy type of job we doing, bruh. All right, y'all, so we figured out how to do this, man. So basically, we need 4 push pins. My shit corroded.
Yeah, look, see that blue shit?
How I fix that, bro?
I don't know, probably need a new one of these. Have somebody snip the wires right here and put them back together. I probably can do it though.
You gonna break my shit.
No, I'm not. Bro, look, we'll peel.
Dang, y'all, so my front was corroded. That's why
I'm putting this right here.
Damn.
I'm putting these right here.
So it ain't gonna work at all if we switch them?
No. Cause look, nigga, look, we can peel.
It got corroded because my bumper was off. That's so ass because my bumper had a gap. That's why that's why I need to fix it.
Cut the wires back here, get a new one of these.
Spice and beef. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we can't get nothing done today, bro. I gotta get the stuff tomorrow.
Nah, this one good.
That one cool?
This one good. I don't know why this bitch ain't working. Why they working?
One day later.
As you guys can see, man, we got the bumper right here. We actually got the push pins, but we got the right size push pins to get that absorbent. Yes, it is, bro. Or dealership, bro. Mopar stores, the same shit. Stop it. Don't piss me off. It's too early for this shit. God. How are you? Oh. Then we got my boy Unmasked SCAT, man, back there. Bro, right next to the. But right now, man, we got my boy Unmasked SCAT, man, bro. He finna strip these wires for us so the side markers can work, because that pigtail is corrupt. He probably is gonna. Are you gonna fuck my shit up, Trey? Bro. Fuck!
Go to which?
You dumb at where the other piece go that you just had?
Oh my lord, guys. So we got 2 wires here, 2 wires on this piece.
That white go to that one, that black go to
Another
black.
piece, and you have
This right here. So do this go in here like this?
We look like cavemen right now.
But does it matter which one?
Oh yeah. So what we doing on SCAT, man?
Stripping these wires.
Stripping these wires, man. So we connecting the white to the white, the blue to the black.
They don't even sound right.
That do
Blue to black.
Come on, gang.
Blue to
Don't do that.
black.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Blue and black, if I'm mistaken.
Boogity boo. Boogity boogity boo. All right, guys. So we got the side markers working and everything.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Scuba. Scuba.
All right, y'all. So we almost got the bumper fully on, man. We finna turn the side markers lights on. Oh, the Hey, say on God.
This one ain't on right. Not on, bro.
Damn.
Take the bitch off.
All that shit for what?
Damn it, man.
Damn it.
Where did you put that side in?
Hell no, because I'm happy to light
You
on.
over here looking over here.
I'm happy to light on, goddamn.
How your lights weren't working at first?
Hell, my lights ain't worked for like 2 years. Oh my God. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, man, everything is on here now. We have to peel back the wrap a little bit, but we got everything on here nice and flush now. It's not that big of a gap now. So you can see that bitch closed. This side, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna fix that part a little later, but. All right, man, so we are completely done with the car now, man. We got the bumper on, man. As you can see, though, it's a big difference from how I looked at first. Now it's looking a little bit closed. It's showing white right here because it's the wrap, but if it was all black, bro, you probably wouldn't see none of that, man. So everything's looking way more flush, way better. This is not sticking up. This is literally all the way down it can go. And shoot, the side markers work as well, man. So we gonna actually link up with the guys later on tonight, man. Get some late night content, bro. With the side markers on. Might get some pics in, some reels in for y'all, bro. But I'm hella happy right now, bro. My side markers ain't worked for like 2 years, bro. My front ones ain't worked for like 2 years. Now it's all on, bro. So, shoot, I'll see y'all when it get a little darker in a couple hours, man. And I'll see y'all later, man. Simple as that.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, man. So it is now nighttime, man, as y'all can see, bro. And we got the Chrysler 3 Honda out here, man. As you can see, man, the bumper looking nice and flush still, man. We drove it a little bit. Bumper looking nice and flush. Looking cool, bruh. It really came out good, man. So that piece really worked, man. Shout out my boy KD, man. My boy KD, bro. I met him on TikTok, bruh. He said, bro, your bumper keeps sagging because you don't got the piece on the back to lift it up. And it really worked, bro. So that's cool as hell. And the side markers is on too, man. I ain't see my front side markers working hellas, bro. So let me turn the light on real quick, bro. It's Messi's hella here. Anyway, man. So boom, boom. So we got the lights on there, as y'all can see right here, man. The front was worked with the back. But anyway, man, the side markers is on. The bumper is looking flush and clean as hell. Shout out my boy Trey, man. I'm SCAT man, man. Shout out my boy, I'm SCAT man, bro. Got your boy right, bro. And shit, bro, I'm hella happy, bro. So the Chrysler 300 looking cool, man. I'm probably gonna get some flicks at the gas station or something, bro. I don't even know, cuz. I don't even know. But shoot, I know what was wrong with the bumper. Y'all probably ain't even noticed. Some of y'all probably noticed. But like, it really bugged me how bad that bumper was sagging off, man. So I'm hella happy how it came out, bro. But no cap, man, I'm probably just finna get some cinematic stuff real quick in, some late night cinematic stuff for y'all, so let's get it, man. I'm not gonna lie, we gonna go to this gas station over here.
Hey, man. This bitch so bad, my nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, this bitch is bad as hell, nigga. It's BB, nigga. You hear me? I know the real striker boys, nigga. It's BB, nigga. I put my life up on this shit, you hear me?
All right, man, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Man, I ain't gonna lie, we got all the lights on right here, man. As you can see right here, all the LEDs on, man. Side markers is working, everything working, bumper looking cool. Not gonna lie, man, shout out my boy Trey, man. Hey, man, make sure y'all keep grinding, bro. Y'all stay safe, man. Y'all stay blessed. If nobody believe in y'all, I do, bro. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, man. I'm not gonna lie. Follow me on Instagram, and like I said, at 20K subs, bro, I'm building another car for y'all, bro. Y'all comment below what y'all think that's gonna be, bro. We in a Luette Zoom with it, man. If you know, you know, man. Yeah, man, got the Chrysler 300 right here. This is not washed at all. It's a little dirty, but we gonna rock out with it, man. Simple as that, bro. Hey, man, enough of that talking. I'm out, and I'll see y'all next video. Okay.